Hi y'all, Dan here. Thanks for joining me. 2,000 years ago, men and women fled to the desert to search for ways to reconnect with creation and the Creator. And they followed a rhythm of searching for that connection. They began with an invitation to open their eyes and their ears to see and hear what surrounded them, and they drank it in just as it was. Seeing and hearing, they reflected on those things. They called this step the meditatio, or the reflection. What caught their eye? What drew their attention to itself? Why? What did they discover right here, right now, today? And after meditating on these things, they responded to it. Oratio means speaking or prayer. I've experienced something here. Now what's my reply? Finally and importantly, they would pause to contemplatio, or to contemplate. It literally means to rest. They stopped wrestling for meaning and just rested. And this is the rhythm that we'll follow on these adventures as you walk with me.